The other point I made, Elvis, was I think in a rapidly changing world, education takes too long. And again, if you want to become a lawyer or a doctor, you probably need 5 to 7 years. But for most fields, with the world changing so quickly and university curricula and training programs not adapting, we are falling behind. So by the time you are done with your honors or master's degree and you have a huge student debt, how horrible must it be to realize you are largely irrelevant already? So I believe we need shorter little building block programs, internship programs. I believe in learning. I believe in the humanities. I believe we need to teach children ethics and philosophy because it's the foundational stone of especially Western society. I don't think we need to teach coding, and we'll get to my article soon, I'm sure. Coding is not bad. I'd rather my son learn how to prompt effectively because the AI can do the coding, most of it.